Hello, friends! It's great to have you new and returning subscribers. Cucumber! Friends! Today's shout-out goes to Osaserio Magba, 6346 from Asaba, Nigeria. Thank you for always watching my videos. Friends, write in the comment box where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Orange. Banana. Add 1/8 cup, 31 milliliters, of honey. Blend for 15 to 20 seconds. Friends, don't watch alone. Subscribe, like, share this recipe. Also available are soup dishes, pastries, drinks, smoothies, quick, easy recipes.